Very good morning, dear guys. Welcome to the class. Dear, today we are going to continue the story, The Adventures of Toto. The Adventures of Toto, the story written by Ruskin Bond. As I told you, this is a story of a baby monkey. Okay, the main character of the story. The another main character of the story is grandfather and the boy, the speaker of the story. So the introductory part of this story we have already done in our last one class. Today we are going to see the story line by line, what is there. Okay, so let's see the adventures of Toto. Grandfather, look at the very first line, very first word, grandfather. Okay, as I told you, the another main character of the story is grandfather of the speaker. Okay, grandfather bought Toto from a tanga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. As I told you in the introductory part, in the plot, that the grandfather of the speaker purchased a baby monkey named Toto for 5 rupees from a tanga driver. Okay, from a tanga driver. Then look at there, what happened there. The tanga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to the feeding trough. That means a container, we can say a container जहाँ जानवरों को, एनिमल्स को खाना दिया जाता है. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड कुंडी एटसेट्रा. ओके, या फिर जिसे हम डोंगी कहते हैं, डोंगी जिसमें जानवरों को खाना खिलाया जाता है. ओके, दैट कंटेनर इज कॉल्ड हियर ट्रो. ओके, फीडिंग ट्रो. सो व्हाट हैपेंड हियर, the tanga driver used to tie up that monkey to a feeding trough. Okay, to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of the place. Look at there, the monkey looked so out of the place. That means it was so bright, it was so attractive. Yes, and that's why here he says, means here the speaker says the baby monkey looked so out of the place there, that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. That means the baby monkey, the red faced monkey, was very, very attractive, that grandfather decided to add this to his private zoo. Yes, as grandfather of the speaker had a private zoo at his home, so he decided to add this baby monkey. Why? Because it was so attractive, so bright, it was so out of the place, and that's why as grandfather was captivated, he decided to buy it and to add his private zoo. So as he decided, he bought it for 5 rupees. He bought it. Grandfather bought the baby monkey for 5 rupees, and then see what happens there. Okay, अब इसके बाद देखते हैं कि क्या होता है वहाँ after purchasing it. Then Toto was a pretty monkey. Look at the description of that monkey is given there. It was so pretty, out of the place. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. Means here this is a description of the monkey, the baby monkey. Okay, it was a pretty one means if we talk about the appearance of that monkey, it was really pretty, बहुत ही अच्छा दिखने में था. His eyes sparkle means shine. Okay, चमकती थी उसकी आंखें. With mischievous. Okay, but mischief भले उसकी आंखें चमकती थी, लेकिन कैसी, एक mischief की तरह, मतलब जो naughtiness जो उसकी आंखों में झलक रहा था, मतलब there was naughtiness in his eyes. उसकी आंखों से ही बोलते हैं ना, चंचलता हमें आंखों से नजर आती है, नॉटीनेस हमें आंखों में नजर आती है। सेम देयर, हिज आईज स्पार्कलिंग विद मिस्chief बीनीथ डीप सेट आईब्रोज। डीप सेट आईब्रोज, दैट आईब्रोज, ओके, डीप मतलब गहरी जो उसकी आईब्रो थी, उस आंखों के नीचे, उस आईब्रो के नीचे उसकी आंखें जो मिस्chief की वजह से चमक रही थी। एंड हिज टीथ विच वर अ पर्ली वाइट, हिज teeth of the monkey were pearly white, pearly white means मोतियों के जैसे चमक रहे थे उसके दांत, मोतियों के जैसे white दांत थे उसके, मोतियों के जैसे। ओके, मोती कैसे वाइट, हल्का सा वाइट होता है, मतलब येलोइश थोड़ा सा रहता ही है, बट हिज teeth were here compared to pearl. Okay, so here the speaker says his teeth were pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile, very often displayed, very means were often displayed. ओके, मतलब हमेशा अपने वो दांत खिचखिचाते रहे। अरे मीन्स इफ यू नो द कैरेक्टर ऑफ अ मंकी, अगर मंकियों का कैरेक्टर तुम्हें अगर पता हो तो कैसे वो दांत दिखाते रहते हैं। सो सेम देयर ही was showing his teeth very oftenly. ओके, ऑफनली हमेशा ज़्यादातर अपने दांत दिखाया करता था। दैट फ्राइटन्ड द लाइफ आउट ऑफ एल्डरली एंग्लो इंडियन लेडीज। ओके, बट दैट आईज, sorry, these teeth of the baby monkey were frightening the Anglo-Indian lady, elderly Anglo-Indian lady. ओके, मतलब उसके दांत ऐसे खिंचके जाता जैसे कि किसी एंग्लो इंडियन लेडी वहां से जो क्रॉस करने वाले हो उनको डरा दे। एंड दैट इज ऑब्वियस नेचर ऑफ अ मंकी, ये मंकियों का तो ऑब्वियस नेचर होता है। ओके, एंड देन बट हिज हैंड्स looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Means this all is about the description of the monkey, the appearance of monkey, how he was, तो कैसा था। Yes, very pretty, eyes sparkling with mischief, then pearly white teeth. After that his hands, how were his hands, उसके hands कैसे थे? So these were like dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Dried up मतलब पूरे सूखे हुए थे। dried up, his hands were like dried up as though they were pickled means जैसे धूप में हम पिकल को सुखाते हैं, आम की फुड़ियों को सुखाते हैं, क्यों? अचार बनाने के लिए। So same there, his hands looked like dried up for as a pickle for many years. जैसे बहुत सालों तक हम पिकल को सुखाते हैं, वैसे ही उसके हाथ ऐसे लग रहे थे जैसे बहुत दिनों से सुखाए हुए धूप में, in the sun. 8, his fingers were quick and wicked, means though his hands looked as dried up, though his hands looked as they were dried up, but his fingers were quick and wicked. भले उसके हाथ ऐसे सूखे साखे जैसे लग रहे थे, जैसे कि बहुत सालों से उसको धूप में सुखाया हो, ऐसे उसके हाथ लग रहे थे, लेकिन उसकी फिंगर्स वर क्विक बहुत फास्ट थे। Besides they were wicked, धूर्त, श्रीव्ड, as we know the nature of monkey. Yes, wicked थे, भले ही क्विक थे लेकिन wicked थे। And his tail, okay, his tail, while adding to his good looks, here this is opinion of his grandfather, okay, grandfather of the narrator. Look at that, it is given in the bracket, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks means according to grandfather of the speaker, tail adds beauty to anyone, किसी की भी ब्यूटी को ये टेल क्या करती है, एक ऐड करती है, ब्यूटी बढ़ाती है। Yes, according to grandfather. So same here, the tail of that monkey was adding his beauty there. Yes, adds his beauty and also served as a third hand. And as we know better, tail works as a third hand to the monkey. Yes, मंकियों को तीसरे हाथ की तरह वो टेल काम करती है। So here this is description, okay, description of that monkey. Okay, so pretty look, sparkling eyes with mischief, then pearly white teeth, yes, pearly white teeth, hands looked like as though they were dried up in the sun for many years, then a tail adding to his beauty, working as a third hand. So this is the description of that monkey, and he could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. Means here these are the works of or the benefits of tail, having a tail. As a monkey has a tail, they use the tail with these purposes. Look at that, to hang themselves from a branch पे अपने आप को हैंग करने के लिए टेल का यूज करते हैं. Besides, it was capable to scooping up any delicacy, कोई भी डेलिकेसी, कोई भी कमजोर चीज़ें, मतलब एकदम नाजुक चीज़ें होती है, उसे पकड़ने के लिए वो यूज़ करते हैं. दैट माइट बी आउट ऑफ रीच ऑफ देयर हैंड्स, अगर उनके हैंड से अगर आउट ऑफ रीच होती है तो उस समय पूंछ का यूज़ करके उन्हें वो खींचते हैं. सो these are the use of tail, okay, that any monkey do, कोई भी monkey do, मतलब any monkey does, कोई भी monkey यही use करते हैं. Okay, then look at there, this is all about the description of that monkey and his tail and the uses of his tail. Okay, now let's see what is given there. Grandmother always fused when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. Fuse, okay, that means रो करना, एक प्रकार से टसल करना, झगड़ा करना. Okay, so here grandmother, as I told you, a minor character in this story. Here grandmother, what is said about her? Grandmother made fuse, हर समय वो झगड़ा करती थी. whenever grandfather brought any new animal or bird at home, घर में अगर कोई भी एक नया जानवर या पक्षी अगर दादाजी ने लाए, सो ग्रैंडमदर झगड़ा करती थी. yes, so then what happened? So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. So it was decided, means it was decided by the other family members that the presence of Toto should be kept secret from her. उससे ये चीज़ सीक्रेटली रखना है, मतलब दादी को नहीं बताना है. दैट ग्रैंडफादर हैड ब्रॉट टोटो. yes, they all decided except grandmother that the presence of Toto would be kept secret. yes, till means or until she would be in a particularly good mood. जब तक वो गुड मूड में ना आ जाए, अच्छे मूड में ना आ जाए, तब तक उसे बताना नहीं है. They all decided. And then grandfather and I put him away in the little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely. So look at there, as it was kept secret. yes, so what happened there? Grandfather and the speaker, the little boy, the speaker of the story, grandfather and I, that means the boy, put him away in a little closet. एक छोटे से क्लोसेट में, छोटे से अलमेरा में, एक छोटे से पिंजरा जैसे बोल सकते हैं यहाँ पर. they decided to keep it there in the closet which was opening into the boy's bedroom. boys means the speaker's bedroom wall. ओके, जो स्पीकर के बेडरूम के वॉल में ओपन होने वाली जो क्लोसेट थी, उस क्लोसेट में उसको रखने का उन्होंने डिसाइड किया. yes, and then there in that closet it was tied securely, बिल्कुल सिक्योरिटी के साथ बराबर उसको टाइट करते हैं. और so we thought, या फिर जैसे सोचते हैं, to a peg fastened into the wall, means they tied it securely to a peg fastened in the wall. मतलब दीवार में एक जो कील रहती है, मतलब जो हम पेग बोलते हैं, खुटी, जो खुटी लगी होती है, उस खुटी को उसको टाइड बांध देते हैं सिक्योरली, ओके, सो दैट इट वुड नॉट रन अवे एनीवेयर, ताकि वो इधर उधर कहीं ना भागे, एंड वुड नॉट बी नोटिस बाय ग्रैंडमदर, विद दैट पर्पस दे डिसाइडेड टू keep it in a little closet which was opening in the bedroom of the boy, the speaker, and there it was fastened to a peg, एक खुटी को उसको बांध दिया गया securely, okay, but let's see what happens there, whether he was secure or not, okay. So look at there, what happens then. A few hours later, after fastening it, grandfather and the speaker, that means the boy, went away or went to their daily course. Yes, अपने डेली कोर्स के हर दिन के काम को, ड्यूटी को निकल जाते हैं. Then what happened? A few hours later, कुछ घंटों के बाद क्या हुआ? When grandfather and I came back to release Toto, when they came back to the closet where the baby monkey Toto was kept fastened. When they came back to look, to have a glance or to release it, उसको रिलीज करने के लिए जब वो वहां आकर देखते हैं तो देखो क्या देखा. We found that the walls which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather now stood out as naked brick and plaster. But look at there, what a mischievous that baby monkey was. When they came back to the closet in that room, the room of that boy, the bedroom of that boy, what happened? What they saw there, what they found there? They found that the wall which was covered with ornamental paper decided or selected by grandfather, now it is naked. Now it was naked brick and plaster. Naked brick and plaster. That means the baby monkey has took out all the paper by which the wall was covered, okay. The baby monkey tore them out, all the ornamental paper. Yes, so here the first mischievous thing that the baby monkey did, ये पहली उसकी मिस्चियस थिंग है जो उसने वहां किया था. Besides, look at what he did. The peg in the wall had been ranged from its socket. Ranged means pulled out. So here what they saw that the peg वो खुटी which was in the wall, which was there in the wall, was now pulled out. He pulled out that peg from its socket. उसका जो सॉकेट था जहाँ वो पेग लगी हुई थी उसको वहाँ उखाड़ कर फेंक देता है. यस, बिसाइड्स माई स्कूल ब्लेजर मीन्स द स्कूल ब्लेजर ऑफ द स्पीकर ऑफ द बॉय, व्हाट हैपेंड टू इट, विच हैड बीन हैंगिंग देयर. दैट स्कूल ब्लेजर विच हैड बीन हैंगिंग देयर, जो वहाँ हैंग कर रहा था, किसी खुटी में लगा हुआ था वो ब्लेजर. व्हाट हैपन्स विद इट, क्या होता है उस ब्लेजर के साथ? देखो, द स्कूल ब्लेजर वॉज इन श्रेड्स मीन्स स्मॉल पीसेस. It was in pieces. He tore the blazer into pieces. छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में उसको बिखेर देता है to that blazer को. Yes, let's look at there the three things he did in the bedroom of the speaker. First one is he tore off all the ornamental papers from the wall. Yes. Second, he pulled out the peg from its socket. Third, he tore into pieces the school blazer of the speaker. Yes, these three mischievous things he did in the bedroom of the speaker. Then let's see what happens there. I wondered what grandfather, means here the narrator, the speaker was wondered towards the words of the grandfather. to the words of grandfather. Grandfather जो means the appreciation, or as the grandfather appreciated the monkey, the baby monkey which leapt, the speaker wondered. Yes, look at that, how grandfather appreciated the baby monkey. Here grandfather would say, okay, और ये जो grandfather ने जो भी चीज कहा था, that leapt the speaker wondered. So what were the words of grandfather? That leapt the speaker wondered. ऐसे क्या उसने कहा था कि दादाजी ने कि जिसने स्पीकर को वंडर्ड, सरप्राइज कर दिया? ऐसे कौन से शब्द उन्होंने यूज किए थे? लेट्स सी. Grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with the Toto's performance. Look at that. Miss here grandfather was not worried. बिल्कुल भी वरी नहीं थे वो. Even he was happy with the performance of that monkey. उस मंकी के परफॉर्मेंस को देखकर इवन यहाँ ग्रैंडफादर हैप्पी थे. He was not worried at all. Yes, that day when he tore off the ornamental papers, when he pulled out the peg from its socket, when he torn the blazer into small pieces, the grandfather was not worried. Actually, it made him happy. Yes, he was happy with the performance of that baby monkey. So let's see what he said. Look at the which leapt the boy wondered. He said, oh, he is clever. Yes, look at the words of grandfather. Grandfather said he was clever. Given time, means he was sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. Look at these words of grandfather. एक grandfather के शब्द देखो, which clears that he appreciated the monkey. Yes, he appreciated the performance of that monkey. There he said how clever that monkey was. If it had been given time, he would have made a rope. From the shreds of that blazer and would have escaped from the house through the window. Yes, look at there. This way he appreciated the monkey, the performance of that monkey, the mischievous activity of that monkey. Yes, so there means that shows how the grandfather was happy with the performance of that monkey Toto. Yes, there he said, oh, he was clever. If he had been given time, grandfather was sure that he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer, means the speaker's blazer, into a rope and would have made his escape through the window. So these were the appreciating words, admiring words of grandfather, which left the speaker wondered, surprised. Okay, then let's see what happens there. His presence in the house still a secret. His presence, as they decided, it should be kept secret. It should be a secret until the grandmother would be in a particularly good mood. जब तक अच्छे मूड में ना आ जाती हो, जब तक उनका मूड फ्रेश ना हो जाए, तब तक ये छुपा कर रखना है. They all decided, Miss grandfather and that grandson, that Miss speaker, they decided to keep it secret. So still now it was still a secret. So his presence in the house still a secret. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters. So now as it was not to be kept in the speaker's room, speaker's bedroom, speaker के bedroom में रखने लायक वो पेट नहीं था. Yes, it was not to be kept in the speaker's bedroom. So now grandfather transferred it, shifted it to a big cage in the servants' quarters. सर्वेंट्स के क्वार्टर जो थे, उन क्वार्टर में अब उसको शिफ्ट करते हैं. वेयर, अब देखो सर्वेंट्स के जो क्वार्टर थे, वहाँ जो बिग केज था जहाँ उसे ट्रांसफ़र किया गया, अब उस बिग केज में क्या क्या थे. where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. Sociably together, look at the words. Sociably together means the other pets the grandfather had, they all were living together sociably. Yes, with humanity, brotherhood के साथ वो सारे के सारे साथ में रहा करते थे, the other pets. Okay, where in a big cage of servants quarter, in the servants quarter, servants के quarter में एक big cage था, उस cage में सारे के सारे जानवर साथ में रह रहे थे. Like a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, okay, and a pet goat. Okay, means goat, squirrel, rabbits and tortoise. Okay, make the list of these pet animals grandfather had. Okay, a tortoise, okay, a tortoise, then a pair of rabbits, and then a tame means paltu, okay, tame squirrel, and a goat. Okay, a goat it is of speakers. Okay, ये speaker का goat है, but the rest 1 2 3 4 these are of grandfather. Okay, a tortoise, a pair of rabbits and tame squirrel, these are of grandfather, and the speakers goat. So these were the animals sociably living together in a cage, in a big cage in the servants quarter. And now this mischievous baby monkey was transferred there, shifted there. So let's see what happens there. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. Look at the monkey, how mischievous he was. He did not allow any of his companions. Any of his companions means these all companions, tortoise, rabbit, squirrel and goat. He neither allowed anyone to sleep, okay, at night. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. And very next day grandfather had to go to Saharanpur to collect his pension. So grandfather decided to take him with him, yes, take him along. Okay, actually they were living in Dehradun and grandfather had to go to Saharanpur to collect pension. Okay, grandfather, he had to go to Saharanpur to collect his pension. Okay, to collect his pension he had to go to Saharanpur. Okay, who? Grandfather. And as looking at the mischievous or naughtiness of the monkey, mischievous behavior, grandfather decided to take him there along. Okay, अपने साथ ले जाने का वो decide करते हैं. Then let's see what happens there in our next video lecture. So guys, see you soon in the next video lecture. Bye bye. Keep watching the videos and enjoy the classes.